In this video, I will talk about the process of drawing this colored pencil portrait of Camila Cabello as Cinderella. You can find the full list of materials I'm using in the description. Start by drawing the eyes using black for the outline and the pupil, and brown and ivory for the iris. Make sure to leave the highlight white. Use light gray and different shades of brown to color the white of the eye, making it darker just under the eyelid and in the corners, and lighter just around the iris. Add some pink in the inner corner of the eye. Add dark brown where the lips meet. Then add red over the whole lip. Use dark brown to darken the parts that should be the darkest, and ivory to lighten the parts that should be the lightest. When working on the nose, block in nostrils first using black and dark brown. Add shadows and then add ivory to the rest of the nose. The ivory will serve to lighten the colors you put on top, so you won't have to worry about going too dark. You can then refine the shadows by adding more browns, but making sure not to add more color to the highlights. Use the same process on the rest of the skin. Add the shadows first, then add ivory on the rest of the area, and finally refine the shadows by adding more browns. You can use ivory to create smoother transitions between shadows and highlights. Add pink as blush and eyeshadow. Draw eyebrows using several shades of brown, making sure you're following the direction in which hairs are growing. You should be careful with the direction of eyelashes as well. Just study the reference photo and follow it as closely as possible. Draw the hair by applying gray and light brown on the highlights and dark brown on the shadows. Then add lines on top of that to create the illusion of hairs. The lines should be a shade darker than the color underneath. Use medium brown in the highlights and dark brown or black in the shadows. Color the rest of the skin in the same way you colored the face. Since the sleeves are see-through, color them like skin, then add purple on top. Use light purple for midtones, ivory for highlights, and a mix of dark blue and dark purple for shadows. Color the dress by adding the shadows first, using dark blue and dark purple. Then add purple and pink to the midtones, and leave the highlights white. Color the rhinestones by using black and dark blue in the shadows, and white jelly roll in the highlights. If you want to watch this drawing process in more detail, check out the real-time drawing video by following the link in the description. If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel for more content about drawing. To watch more portrait drawing videos, check out my portrait art playlist.